So I'm just going to set the timing, and we need to disconnect this timing bypass wire just here. And then I set to 4 degrees before TDC. This is just a standard engine, so I'm just going to leave it at the factory specs, but if anybody recommends that it should be set to something different, then let us know in the comments. So I've got a sneaking suspicion my balancer has slipped a little. Got it running okay, but the timing mark's over here rather than being where it should be. So I'm just gonna. I may have to pop this by Distributor out and just re-clock it again. I think, but we'll see how we go. I ended up having a look. I had a slipped harmonic balancer, so the timing marks were out. I ended up pulling out plug number 1 and just checking for top dead center by barring over manually. And I didn't end up pulling the distributor out. It was clocked around a little bit too far. I was just pulling tight on some of the wires. I ended up just by moving the plug wires around 1 notch and reorientated it that way. Done the trick. So yeah, it's all running good. Set for 4 degrees. Don't forget when you're done to replug in your the tan wire with the black stripe. That's for your timing bypass. Hey guys, so I'm going to finish up there now. I'm going to put all the air cleaner and whatnot back, all the last little bits. If you like this, then please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you want to see more of my content. Until next time, see you later.